Good morning, everybody. Ronbo here. Coffee and the Spy and Ronbo, episode number 2. Well, today we have the Spy is at 441.10 right now. This is where the price is at this arrow. So today on the daily chart, we have resistance and support. This is the support line for the 4 hour and the daily. It's hard to explain, but uh, these have not been updated yet. The green and red is the daily support resistance, and it updates at the bell, so it will be here and here. Okay, so this red dotted line is the daily resistance at 448.22. Support is at 434.47. And on the 4 hour chart, this is the support, and 44475 is the resistance. So we're right smack in the middle, which is very, very not dangerous, but well, it is if you get in right away and you have a call or an option on it. So what I would do now, again, I'm just an old man, you know, in a dark room upstairs looking at 3 monitors. It's just for educational, entertainment purpose, not advice. But I would wait and see certain possibilities that could happen. Would be that the SPY could come up early, test the 440, 475, drop down, retest and break. Okay, so and then that is instance. Then you have to be really careful of 448.22 to see if it hits, and then maybe hit support here at 444.75. And once it starts coming up, then that might be a good play to go long. And then we're looking at a price of it getting to 462.26. Now, always keep in mind the average trading range is $8.43, but it's been trading above average for quite a while now. So I wouldn't be surprised if it tried to push up that far. But I doubt it. I'll take a look at the 4. Most likely, it might go to the next 4 hour support or resistance here. So that's one possible scenario. Or we could have a run up, get rejected here, and come down to support at 434.47. And then if you see it bounce off and then set a higher low, then I would go. I'd go long to 444. If we break 434, if we come down, we bounce off and then break. Then what I would do is what happens after a break, usually bulls start saying, hey, buy the dip, just like down here. So the price might come up, and now this is resistance. Most likely the bears will then push down, the bulls, get stopped out, right here. Then that would be a good entry for it to go down to the 421 mark, or most likely the next low on the 4 hour chart. If I could bring it up here, that would be it might get down to 427. On the short side, if it breaks 448, then you're looking at 454. That's probably a more reasonable target that it might, if we go long, versus 460 on the daily chart. So 454 probably max on the long for the day, on a really bullish day, and probably the max on the south side would be 427, possible. Possibly, a low of 421 would be the absolute max, but 427 is more reasonable. So, guys, just keep those prices in mind, because those are the daily support and resistance lines. Always the best way to do it, again, is wait for a pullback, for a bounce, and to go towards that way. If it hits 444.75, there's going to be a pullback, and then you get in when it sets a higher high, or that higher low point, and then most likely it will break through on the second time, and vice versa going down. So that's how I'm looking at it today. Hope you guys have a really good day today.